In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix duplicates in Zoho CRM. Duplicate records can be a real headache, especially when you're working with contacts and sales data. They can cause confusion, skew your reports, and make it harder for your team to know which record is the right one to use. So in this tutorial, we'll walk step by step through how to find and merge duplicate contacts directly inside Zoho CRM. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Zoho account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Zoho CRM interface. The layout can vary slightly depending on your customization, but the navigation we'll use is the same. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. From there, click on Sales. This section contains all of the key modules related to your sales process, like leads, contacts, deals, and so on. We're focusing on contacts because that's where duplicate records typically cause the most issues. After you've clicked on Sales, find and click on Contacts. This will open the Contacts module where you can see a list of all the contacts stored in your CRM. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right view. You might be on a custom view, a filtered list, or a default list like all contacts. Any of those will work, but it's helpful to be in a view that includes the contacts you suspect are duplicated. Now, select a contact from the list. Ideally, choose one that you think might have duplicates, for example, a contact with a common name or someone you know has been entered more than once. Click on that contact's name to open their detailed record page. This is where you can see all of their information, activities, and related records. With the contact record open, look up toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu exposes additional actions you can take on this specific contact beyond the basic edit or delete options. From that drop-down menu, click on Find and Merge Duplicates. This is the built-in Zoho CRM tool designed specifically to scan your database for records that look like they may be duplicates of the contact you're viewing. When you click it, a new window or panel will open where you can configure how Zoho should search. Here, you'll need to match the criteria below. That means you'll choose which fields Zoho should use to identify duplicates. Common choices are things like email address, phone number, or contact name. For example, if you select email as your criteria, Zoho will look for other contacts with the same email address. Take a moment to think about which fields are most reliable in your data. Using unique fields like email usually gives better results than name alone. Once you've set the matching criteria the way you want, click Search. Zoho CRM will then scan your contacts using those rules and display any records that it considers potential duplicates of the contact you started with. From there, you can review the results, confirm which records are truly duplicates, and proceed with merging them, keeping the most accurate information. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and clean up duplicate contacts in Zoho CRM, keeping your data consistent and easier for your whole team to use.